Hi guys, Tonisha here. I'm gonna be showing you on how to add music on your videos for free from YouTube to iMovie. So let's get started. Let's go first on your YouTube app and type any music that you want to use on your video. Alright, let me check it here quick. Alright, I think this is better, so let's go to your record screen button. And I'm gonna copying this for a couple of seconds. So once you're done, go to your iMovie app. So I'm gonna be using this short video clip. And then on the left side, click the plus sign button. Click the video. Alright. So let me check it here quick. Give me one moment. Then click the three dots. Click the audio only. And on the last part of the video, we can adjust the sound here a little bit. Alright, we're good to go. Let's give it a try. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.